Yo, what is going on guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video, we are going to talk about the best 3 useful features of Filmora 12. And also at the end of this video, I have to talk about the giveaway, so watch till the end. And first let's talk about the best 3 features of Filmora 12. So first one is the Smart Cutout. So you guys know I use this Smart Cutout feature so many times in most of my previous tutorials, and this feature helps to cut out any object with a single selection. So if you are new to Filmora, I will show you a quick example of how to use this feature. So this is the clip I use, then go to the AI tools, and select Smart Cutout. Then I draw the selection on the car like this, and you can see the car is perfectly selected. So here we have a few tools like erasers, grab tools, and invert selection. So after drawing the selection, click this button to track your selection. After that, here you can select which result you want. So you can see it's so much easy, and also this is my favorite feature on Filmora. The next one is silence detection. So this feature I always use to make my YouTube videos, and it's so much helpful for me. For example, this is a video timeline of my new tutorial. Now I need to add my voice to this, so here I added my voice file to the timeline, and I need to remove these all silence areas. For that, I right-click on this, select Smart Edit tool, then select Silence Detection. Then we have a new interface like this. So here's our audio layer, and here you can adjust the settings you like. So I keep the default settings, and click Start. Then wait a few seconds, and now you can see that all silence areas are removed, and also split the parts one by one. After that, click this Finish and Replace button, and now I can simply add voice to my video. So this feature is so useful, and also it helps to save your editing time. The third one is the Auto Reframe feature. So you can easily find the Auto Reframe option in this interface. This feature helps you to change horizontal video to vertical or any other ratio you want. This might be a great feature for short video content creators. For example, I add this video to this. Then you can select what ratio you want here. So I select 9:16 ratio and motion speed to auto. Then click Analyze. After that, you can see this area follows this girl perfectly. So if you need to change the area, you can adjust this area like this. After that, click the Export button. And here's the result. So guys, these are a few best features on Filmora 12. So if you like this tutorial, I will bring another video for you. And finally, I need to tell you guys about the giveaway. So Wondershare Filmora has organized another giveaway to complete their 800k subscribers on YouTube. So if you like to join this giveaway, you need to like this video, comment and tag some of your friends before September 1st, so you can win cool prizes in this giveaway. So I put the video link in the description. You can check more information about it. So that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this, and please leave a like this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment about this video, and what tutorial you like next. So let's meet up the next video. Take care and peace.